Hello world. So what is this mystery bag? This mystery bag contains a very precious gift from Google called Android Things. Ooh. Going, so they have some little URLs and all of that. They have got a display and the board, the camera module, and antennas, and couple of connectors, and USB-C. Wow. All right. So once everything in place, keep the USB-C aside. Now let's take the display out. Be a little more gentle with the display. Have taken out the display. Let me take out the card. The board, and then another camera module or a peripheral, that's what we call, and we need one data cable for camera. Now I'll keep everything aside. So let's connect the antenna. Before we connect the antenna, we will have to connect the antenna cable. So the antenna goes to this point, which is close to the processor module, and you need a small screwdriver or something to be a little gentle, don't break the board. Once the Wi-Fi cable is connected, so we have to turn over the board for connecting the display. So if you have plasters here, please remove the plasters, then face down the display, keep the camera module aside, face down the display, open the knob, and press the black notch, and here connect the power cable, or it is also called 6-pin. Now you can connect one face. Make sure the silver side is facing downside, and one side to the camera module and another side to the board. Okay, our initial setup is completed. So we need to power this up. So to power it up, we have Type-C cable here and connect one into the computer. Go to the URL that is shown in the description, and in that URL you will see the official documentation regarding Android Things, and there are a couple of peripherals that the official site offers, and you can take a look at them. That includes cardboard stand, rainbow hat, which is very popular in Android Things, and camera module cables, and a lot of other things. And you will also see the instructions on how to connect these peripherals to the board. Right after that, you will see if you have everything like this. Since we don't have the cardboard, we have to keep it just like that. And once you have to download the companion app if you want, or you can do these things. So after connecting everything, to install the Android thing in your device, you need to download a setup utility thing, and for a Mac it'll be this binary file. For Windows, this will be the binary file. After downloading it, so where we can download the utility file, so go to Android Things official console, go to tools and download setup utility. So after all, execute that, and so I'll show you a simple example right now. So I'm gonna execute the Mac version, and it'll ask what you want to do. Choose the first option and follow the instructions. That's it. You're good to go. After installing everything, you will see Android Things operating system in your device, where you can see a couple of controls like the peripherals and networks and so on. So for now I have the camera module, and I'm seeing the camera directly from the camera module of the Android Things Pico Kit. Hope you all liked this video and enjoyed watching this, and please do like and comment on my videos, and do subscribe to AndroidABCD.